Trafime was founded in 1967 by Riccardo Coffa, who ran the company alongside his sons. The company specializes in fine blanking, which combined with CNC machining, offers a diverse range of cost-effective solutions for automotive components. Presently, Trafime operates from 3 production facilities: Catania, Carmagnola, and the site in Bibbiano, which also handles the design and manufacturing of molds and spare parts for all 3 production sites. With its flexible structure and production capacity, Trafime is well prepared to meet the evolving demands of customers while maintaining the highest quality standards. The requirements of the automotive industry are getting higher and higher through the years, making a selection between the supply chain. Only suppliers that are researching, studying, investing and constantly improving can keep the pace of the automotive customers. Over the years, Trafime performed several studies and research and has constantly invested towards continuous improvement process with a focus on enhancement of the production system. One of our latest innovations is the new fine blanking straightener machine. Trafime has successfully integrated this special straightener in the fine blanking production process, specifically developed to meet the demands of high-performance applications. The result is a manufacturing machine that stands at the forefront of the industry, guaranteeing the best flatness requested on the market. This remarkable equipment represents a significant leap forward and offers the best control over the flatness on our fine blanked components. Its ability to operate with extreme accuracy and achieve remarkably tight tolerances enables us to deliver products with the highest quality, capable of surpassing even the harder specifications. With our 19-meter straightener lines, we can handle larger components while maintaining the flatness always controlled. This particular feature allows us to offer to the customer the best dimensions and tolerances, providing at the same time the best high-quality components. Regulating the operating pressure of the material is brought close to the heel point in the most important area of the stress-strain curve. Stainless steel strips thick 14 mm and wide 240 mm have been strained with 0.05 mm of flatness. No other equipment is able to copy such performances. These competitive advantages position us at the forefront of the fine blanking industry, empowering us to deliver high-quality solutions that exceed our customers' expectations.